So this is the Carnival Mardi Gras. We're in stateroom 10421. It is a balcony on the starboard side. Bathroom is adequate. It's got a glass shower door there, which is kind of nice. If you want breakfast, you can get that. Small charge. This is a bed or a couch that turns into a sofa bed. This is a bed that stays a bed. It's about a 48-inch TV. There's plenty of storage. Literally, I didn't think there was going to be this much storage, but more than adequate. And then, of course, the real reason is the balcony. Balcony's a good size. We are in the port of Roatan, Honduras. One of my favorites. Alrighty, we're gonna go topside now.